Welcome to the Tutoring Center. We know that sometimes classes can just be difficult, and we're here to help. First off, I'd like to talk a little bit about how tutoring can help you. First, tutoring is free for all Moraine Valley students. We offer a drop-in service. You do not have to make an appointment. You can just come when you are ready. We offer 1-hour sessions. We tutor a full range of classes. All of our tutors are certified. Most of them are professional tutors. They have years of experience working with students just like you. We also have a handful of student tutors, and many of them are in the classes or have taken the classes that you currently need assistance with. Please check our website for hours and a schedule. There are several ways to make your tutoring session successful. Remember to bring your notebook, your textbook, and your instructions. We want to make sure that what you're doing with tutoring aligns with what your instructors want. Don't come to tutoring cold. What I mean by that is be sure that you try to work through some of your problems beforehand. Develop specific questions that tutors can answer. If you are completely lost in your class, please visit with your instructor because they can give you some advice before you ever come to tutoring. Keep in mind that we are not a substitute for going to class. We don't teach per se, we tutor. We want to be a tool in your success. Please visit us.